If you want to connect Zapier with Squarespace, automate your website tasks, and save a ton of time, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you how to use Zapier with Squarespace step by step, even if you've never built a Zap before. This is a great way to connect your website with other apps like email marketing tools, CRMs, spreadsheets, and more, so you can automate actions without doing everything manually. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Zapier in your browser and sign into your account. If you don't already have one, create a free account so you can access the automation dashboard. Once you're inside Zapier, look for the Create button. Click that to start building a new automation. Zapier will open a menu, and from there, choose Zap Workflows. That's the standard setup for creating an automated workflow between two apps. Now you're in the Zap editor, and the first thing you need to do is set up your trigger. Click Trigger to choose what starts the automation. In the app search box, type Squarespace and select it from the list. This tells Zapier that Squarespace will be one of the apps involved in your workflow. Next, you'll choose a trigger event. Zapier may show multiple options depending on what Squarespace can do in your account, so pick the event that fits your goal. If you're not sure which one to use, choose the available option and continue through the setup. Then log into your Squarespace account when prompted. This connects your site to Zapier and gives it permission to look for the trigger event you selected. Once your trigger is connected, it's time to set up the action. Click Action, because this is the step that tells Zapier what to do after the Squarespace event happens. In the app search field, type the name of the app you want to connect to Squarespace. In this example, you could choose an app like MailChimp, but you can use any supported app that matches your workflow. After selecting the app, click Choose an event and pick the action you want Zapier to perform. This might be something like adding a contact, sending an email, creating a route in a spreadsheet, or updating a record in another tool. After choosing the action, log into that app when Zapier asks for your account details. This is how Zapier connects both sides of the automation so your trigger and action can work together smoothly. Once both accounts are linked, you'll see the build screen where you can review the automation you just created. Take a moment to check the setup carefully so your trigger app, action app, and selected events are all correct. Now click Build It at the top to finalize the Zap structure. Zapier will guide you through the remaining setup and prepare the automation for testing. This is an important step because testing helps you confirm that Squarespace is sending the right data and that the other app is receiving it correctly. Click Test Run and let Zapier simulate the workflow. If everything looks good, you know the automation is ready to go. If something doesn't work as expected, you can go back and adjust the trigger, action, or account connection before publishing. When you're happy with the result, click Publish. That makes your Zap live, so it will automatically run whenever the Squarespace trigger happens. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Zapier with Squarespace and create your first automation. From here, you can build all kinds of useful workflows to save time and keep your business running smoothly. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and leave a comment if you want to see more Zapier and Squarespace automations in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.